Welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel, My Location. In this video, we are going to give you all the information about iPhone 12 Pro Max, which will be launching on October 13 by Apple. This iPhone supports 5G network. This phone is worth 1,29,900 rupees in India. Apart from it, LiDAR scanner, barometer, 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, proximity sensor and ambient light sensor can be seen in it. This iPhone has 1 year manufacturer warranty and 6-month warranty for accessories in the box. First of all, we talk about its design. The height of this iPhone is 160.8 mm, width is 78.1 mm, thickness is 7.4 mm and weight is 228 grams. This iPhone will be seen in 4 colors: blue, gold, graphite and silver. The backside of this iPhone covered by Gorilla Glass. This iPhone is waterproof and dustproof. Those can stay in water up to 6 meters deep for 30 minutes. We tell you. Display type of this iPhone is all screen OLED Super Retina XDR. Display size is 6.7 inch with 2778 by 1284 pixel screen resolution. Screen to body ratio is 87.55% and aspect ratio is 19.5.9. Pixel density is 458 ppi with bezel-less display of this iPhone. There are capacitive touch screen and multi-touch available. This iPhone has 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. But the main thing, you cannot use expandable memory in this. In this iPhone, battery type is lithium-ion. It can quick and fast charging with 18-watt mass storage device and USB charging. 50% battery in 30 minutes. Wireless charging option also available. There are 3 rear cameras and 1 front camera. Every cameras of this iPhone are 12 megapixel. There are 4 cameras feature: digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus, face detection autofocus, dual pixel autofocus also available. Image resolution is 4000 by 3000 pixel and video recording 3840 by 2160. There are 3 shooting modes: continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, burst mode. Physical aperture is f2.2 with optical image stabilization. There are 2 camera settings: exposure, compensation and ISO control. Finally, we're talking about its performance. Processor is hexa-core as dual-core, Firestorm Plus, quad-core, iStorm. Chipset with Apple A14 Bionic. Graphics is Apple GPU. Architecture is 64-bit of this iPhone. If you like this information, like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video.